Okay, this video I'm going to shoot this very small amount of Shockwave. This is a 223 cartridge for comparison. This is probably not even half an ounce. I would say it's maybe, I don't know, I really don't know. I'll have to go home and weigh it. Alright, so now that I'm back home and I have access to my scale, I'm going to weigh this little bag, which I think corresponds pretty well to what I had in the field. I've had a little baggie on there to tare it. 15.5 grams, so that's a little bit over half an ounce. And weigh a similar amount and try to give you a better idea, but you get the picture. I'm going to shoot this with a 223 and we'll see what happens to the can. I'm going to tape it to the top here. Okay, here's the tiny little charge of Shockwave. Damn. You know what's really interesting? Oh no, never mind. It's kind of hard to figure out exactly what happens with these things. Because it looks to me... Man, I don't even know which way it went in. I'm guessing it went in here, it went out there, and I don't know. I'm not sure what the mechanics of that would be, but still really did a number on this thing.